Welcome back to another incredible miniature construction journey. Today we're building from a single wooden beam to a peaceful Japanese Zen house. Every tiny detail is crafted with patience, precision, and care. Watch as skilled hands transform simple miniature materials into a beautiful home through an incredibly satisfying time-lapse build. Every beam is measured, every wall is perfectly aligned, and each roof tile is placed with remarkable accuracy. The elegant wooden structure, traditional Shoji Windows, handcrafted ceramic roof, and tranquil Zen Garden all come together to create a miniature masterpiece, inspired by timeless Japanese architecture. It's amazing how something so small can feel so realistic. If you enjoyed watching this satisfying miniature construction journey, you're in the right place for more incredible tiny builds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next miniature build.